guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Enyen labia monisai we do moto le go. I'm nearly 50. My dear. About bleach aha. I don't bleach. I don't wear makeup you. I like makeup you. I don't wear color dijon. Yeah, color dijon. My color the Facebook. Okay, my phone with TikTok. You cannot shoot us. Mama no waro wa. Yeki, you susu. Nothing. A bleach ni wano. By fan face, my people. By fan face. Go address. Get to my room. Tag my room. Let I'm only go turn in no where a name ladia monisai. Where the motor will go. I am going to give on a movie read this millennial time at 2024. Can you imagine? No, need to tag.
If you are just coming, please just share this video. Make it see go out. Our sister, after they work out, they come now. See one blogger. Which blogger? Which blogger? Africa New way to China. Now, not be blogger. Yeah, Africa New China. Now blogger. As they work out, they come. I can't see our sister. She can't leave this message to one woman when they call her Ogunba. You know, say sometimes where if you talk sometimes, if you see somebody when you still talk, the way when you take talk, when you still they do, the way when you still they do, that person you go still carry and come out, you go still play am. So that na gbon wegenya ekweku agbe because e matter over your night ta. Maybe people not say when I don't beat her for nothing. No say if na one person they beat her now, don't say na one person don't they beat her for nothing. Now because with that person they quarrel. No na. If 3 people they follow one person they quarrel, you know say now that one person I know good. You know go claim right say na good. As I they talk is all this why. So they waka they come and see this one of our auntie. The word when I see they talk, I see some for inside yo. Now say make I come see player. Make una come see because this Facebook will they motivate, will they give people joy, will they give people happiness, you know, and not only money. They will say that they make money, that they use until they pack money woro. And for me, I'm not there. I'm living, I eat, I pay my bills, you know. That's it. Now I can't say make we constantly listen to this our sister. The message when this our sister still send, go give her. Still send the message. People when see they watch, the fans and the viewers and the dance, all of them will still hear this message. You know, as they do the video, they cut on small. Make una no verse. If I dey up here, network, not the two connect for here. Because if I say make I use my outside, I dey use my outside internet take the top one. I don't want me go. If you finish now, no if they use until they do another thing. Then I can say make you play the woman video. Me I see tell now maybe people will say let me say this something when lovely they talk is all this why lovely. You know they lie because I know that the beat person say I want beat you, but the truth of the matter now we they talk. Make you from ground look start for the woman. Wait till the woman can't talk. Sister, we want blog you for we want analyze your video. You know, say, I mean, they carry everything. You are welcome. We go now. Invite. If you want to invite. If not, let you want use chair sit down. Use chair sit down because if you not too much invite now go invite. Have any agbina the one where they fight. They'll come they fight for comment section. I don't say we know they fight for here. More will start again. And this our sister message is
I'm
loud.
nearly 50. My dear. About bleach, I don't bleach. I don't wear makeup, you. I like makeup, you. I don't make color, you. Yeah, color, you. My color, your Facebook. Okay, my room, your TikTok. You cannot shoot us. Mama, oh. Oh, well, no, what? Yeki, you go, you so. Nothing. A bleach in one. By fan face, my people. By fan face. Go address. Get to my room. Tag my room. Let I'm a button in no where a name ladder on his side. Where the motor will go. I am going to give on a movie with this millennial time at 2024. Can you imagine? No, you need to tag me. Jolo is a jealousy because one of jealousy now. On the 20 different ones. It's a warning of one young
My sister, now me give her that name for social media. But where, yeah, we are back, my darling. You know, up here the network is not too much powerful here. You know, the network try now from downstairs to up here. You know, it get bus. I don't know where that bus dey. You got another bus when I supposed to put for here. I don't know where it dey. You know. Now, so we are back again, my darling. How you dey? How was your night? How your people? How your children? We dey analyze, so we no want talk. If I dey do now like this, I don't say na greet. I dey greet you, man. Make we not talk put. No we go talk muhe. Me man go ni me go anjo.
I'm nearly 50. My dear. About bleach, I don't bleach. I don't wear makeup, you. I like makeup, you. I don't make color, you. Yeah, color, you. My color, your Facebook. Okay, my room, your TikTok. You cannot shoot us. Mama, oh. Oh, well, no, what? Yeki, you go, you so. Nothing. A bleach in one. By fan face, my people. By fan face. Go address. Get to my room. Tag my room. Let I'm a button in no where a name ladder on his side. Where the motor will go. I am going to give on a movie with this millennial time at 2024. Can you imagine? No, you need to tag me. Jolo is a jealousy because one of jealousy now. On the 20 different ones. It's all.
Me go make taban. Again, you pay no more that you call your funny baby Facebook. Me we ya decision si. No dog man come. Madam, I want talk.
I know. I'm going to put it. Ah, bofu. Eba me kiri bofu kiri. Eba me we are we waiting to be like Yahweh? Why? Why are you looking at a woman like you? And what kind of admire who no here my people no Denny who ya dead boy I go who like Iyore oh here na yin ade amajade cause na Facebook nia e bomb here we go because na jago shoka ri go YouTube cause someone dey go to my school and yan big aja ni my dey meet up ni ma dey gbe ya je college aja we bu you know ma we dey we do go ati you cooperate everything yourself I want to ma we take put we go do ke mu gioma we are giving my monetize here, so people don't want to monetize because
you know why I like this woman? She's so intelligent and she spoke good. She did talk well. I like people that is very intelligent, both in and out. I deal with people like this. Hey, they are the law. You see, college. You go here, you go college. Yeah, if some people want to say na language school. Who tell you say na language school? I got language school from my community here. As I finished school years back, now they come work language school for me. Language school, I have sayo, and he made you 10,000 euro. Now I let that one pay put. School. Anyway, when you reach, you will know how to read the board. That is it. 4 years. Oh, yeah, they will could motivate somebody that have brain more than them. How can a person when you know if you finish, you know if you go primary school, you can't motivate somebody when you finish junior and secondary school. Let's go. As I do this, so I they wash clothes.
People don't want to monetize because but you go get it's okay. But some people they are not.
My sister, you know that monetize when they talk. Now me she they talk. I don't now go monetize. Yeah, she not the monetizer. People they say things for social media, Say hey, say things. No be only come to shout. No be social media made for. Social media never made for saga. Social media made for you the user take the settings. You will see people. The other day now, when I fix nails, see my nails. If you can see it, see my nails. I do this nails by myself. People come and say, Mama, who there you go do nails again? I said before I go do this nails now. You go reach, if you reach 1 month or 3 months, because I don't go to pull my nails because I want to teach nails. Only way I go do, maybe I'll go buy that toy when you get nails. Me I take the fees and go order them. May I show you people the nails? See you see it? You see? Did you see it? You see? Brain, I be everything. Now the person come they laugh. He say, Mama, now wow, you can make person laugh. I say yes, because I don't think they pull on. Because they use until they teach. She want to learn. I tell her, say, what I go do now, that toy. As I tell they see score to do hair. They see they see nails. I'll go buy and go out around. You know? I don't think as this nails be now, I'll come pull on. Because they use until they teach people. That means I want to condemn my nails be that. I need to go and buy that toy. Now tell the person, say, if I buy it, then I will come live. If I not buy it, I'll not come they pull my nails. If I can't do nails finish, I'll come pull on. See you see? I'm the one that do these nails. I don't want to make it too long. It's short. Did you see it? You learn things. This one now, people feel coming up and say, I can't do nails for me. Not because sit down, they do saga. They find who they monetize, who not they monetize. People, ordinary hair where they do. People use and get customer for outside Facebook. They don't even know the meaning of monetization. That is the worst part of it. They'll say that they make money for Facebook. They don't even know the meaning of monetization. The woman, when she dey jealousy, that woman, she dey sell her. That woman will carry something because she will come sell her. That woman, they sew her, they sell her. That woman now, she don't they sell pot. Then tomorrow now, I can't say, na Facebook, now she for the get money. Now Facebook, she they get money. She they put herself for advert. She don't selling her. You are not selling her. You are not selling anything. You know they sell clothes. You know they sell nothing. Only way you just there for saga. You just there for saga. This next one I do now. This my Oyibo one black way marry Oyibo here. I'll go visit her. If I reach there now, I show her. If I show her anything when I show her, I go say, don't worry. And I know say we not the too much put mouth. I'll come the fix in nails for her. Even my second daughter tell me that they say, Mommy, you are the one that will be doing my nails. I go collect money. If I do one for my daughter, she must pay me. My first daughter, if I do one for her, she go pay me. Now small. No, they don't sit down for Facebook. They don't they chat. Facebook, which Facebook they pay you now? What do they do for Facebook? When Facebook they pay you? The Facebook know how wasa. Sister, may I leave you? May you talk?
But they are not really into it where I must monetize, I must confide, I must go to 419. No, not everybody or do kokoro. No, like you. And Naija wash eat her money. Yes, nice eat her money. You know, they say, or here you are my boyfriend. Your boyfriend.
Sister, when I go analyze this Naija wash, before she came to Facebook, Naija wash was for everybody. Now I make her today now, she don't do go back. And I wait in Oka Wari and no see, you see carry a come now. I see they talk and they talk. Naija was now everybody. I was the first live video presenter when I tell Naija was say not they carry my video again. You know, not they carry my video. Me with Naija was we quarrel. This my Facebook today, and Naija was buy this Facebook reach like this. Now she buy my Facebook, she was even say Why this woman Facebook? Why you no fit hack am? Naija Watch was looking for a way to bring down this Facebook to hang am. Only waiting Facebook they do that and they go suspend me. You see, huh? Then Naija Watch came for everybody. When Naija Watch came, she was not a live video presenter then. She was not a live video presenter. What did she do? She think that she can claim everything around her. No, you cannot claim it. I said, no, they will leave her for you. You get when you use and play rich, she go tire you. Person when you take a whole something whole like this, if her tire you, you go drop her. They use a make parable. If you carry small picking something, you hold on for up like this. Not because they give me. You cannot, you know, ever you don't feel hold hand like this for 1 hour. If her tire you, you will give her to small picking. That one will carry something go wrong, come out. Naija Watch, now for everybody. Naija Watch came from. It came because of everybody that was doing live, not only she. Before Naija Watch total, all the live video presenter, she was not doing live then. She was not a live video presenter. Who introduced her to live video? It's a Pie the Murphy that introduced her to live video. When she came, she want to rubbish a Pie the Murphy come out. At the end of the day, everything fall on her. She just come on social media, be crying relevant cry. Where they look? Yeah, she want to bring a Pie the Murphy down, but today now, she's crying for no reason. Not be platform, not be most of them say a Pie the Murphy. No, now a Pie the Murphy be the first person who it be. That time, no more took my bella. That me tell you what see no me. My own jano. But he got the review to me. Sister, they come play of this. You know, say we they analyze. Then Naija Watch come they carry people video. Naija Watch come they pay people. Then when she came, what did she do? She took Naija Watch to her side alone. She wanted to eat alone. At the end of the day, where is she today? Where is she? Where is she today? That is life. And you don't care Naija Watch here. Naija Watch can't follow her. Today now, when Naija Watch never followed this woman, there is no live video presenter when you go talk, when you not go mention Naija Watch. Now we put Naija Watch for air. Now we make Naija Watch get name, especially me. If I saga Naija Watch finish, Naija Watch go call me say, you are too stubborn. Why are you stubborn like this? Okay. You will say, tell me say no, they carry my video again. Please, I don't need your problem, lovely Iyore. Please, okay? Let's be fine. Now so I just stop Naija Watch. Naija Watch was thinking that he will feed me. When Naija Watch goes, Naija Watch says, you are very crazy. He said, what's going on? I said, stop. Don't do that again. I don't want it. You know? That time you say, okay, we make peace. Everybody go here. No live video presenter, we know they mention Naija Watch name. Today we call when Naija Watch. When Naija Watch today, she kill Naija Watch market. Now that's the way she want to go. Iyore platform. Iyore platform, I can't dey yah. Iyore platform, I can't dey yah. But they tell ourselves truth. Good morning, my family. Now, with the Facebook, as you see me, so I'm not jealousy anybody from Facebook. No. Eat your own. I did my day. Kukuma, your clothes not going to enter my body. Your breast not going to enter my breast. If you get big in your shina, small in your shina, and debt. You dey shake. Now, so she do Naija Watch. No, now one sister will send message, go give Ogun back. When be safe at the toss of time, people will feel say, "Team boy, quick." Now see the sister, everything when they talk, the same thing, I sister talk. You know? Naija Watch, nice sister don't talk, so now make me they analyze Naija Watch. Naija Watch, Monica, when they do live video, when you go, they stay platform. You they find a platform not a day. A platform not a day. Like one person, he say, you say lovely Iyore, now 5 people they look you for how many years? This your platform still day. I say you go day. You go day. Now me, I feel trade market. We be trader. Customer come, customer no come. If the second market they you see come trade. Not that say because customer not come today. Next tomorrow you not go market. All of us This person did there. Naija wash. She can't come. She can't carry Naija wash. She can't carry and buy am to herself. Today when Naija wash you. Elie wo ho wapa na mu. Eba na mu ye bezin where e wo ho. E wo ho can re eba ni say now everybody go chop that food. They say they pack rice, put for basin. They put on top. They don't put spoon. Now, as I tell they chop that year for Nigeria that they do Christmas. You know, say na basin tray. Then they can't put you say everybody can't do chop. You won't be who down. You reach there, you spit put. They will leave the food for you. While you are new, you pay. Now you dey so. Carry Nigeria wash, can't carry on to himself. She was the one that make Nigeria wash they backward. Nigeria wash when be say everybody they hate for Facebook. Nigeria wash for their top today. And this woman I bring Nigeria wash down. Yeah. Now she bring Nigeria wash down. Now that's 18 now. That time he don't come off. Tomorrow they go say I go call YouTube. Next tomorrow they go say they YouTube. Tomorrow they say my YouTube mama why you if you say now only one person they look me. I like her. I like her. Don't say I'm not there you. My sister. Now so she take do Naija wash show. Everybody. Even some people they call me that time when they want enter live video that time. They say, Mama, I beg, you fit give me Naija wash? No, I will give them. Mama, I beg, if you give me Naija wash, no, I will give them. No, I thought I'm not going to give them more. Because I know Naija wash. I can't say make the rest people no know. And so she take carry Naija wash. You carry Naija wash. Today now when Naija wash. Now that's the thing they want to do to Monica platform. Say platform will know Monica. Eh? Say I tell you that they say leave the platform, they do your own. Analyze. If people buy them for a half, they use to do saga. Me, I'll call the analyzer. My sister will continue as our sister talk and reach. Now that platform here, I can't do. I see one video where proud mommy they analyze. If they say he forgive Monica, he forgive J-Boy. Who be you? J-Boy knows you. J-Boy, whether who be you? What do you think you are? A child that is going to school, and they are going to school. And when you J-Boy, or me honji, wani amu boto. And they can't wear in a J-Boy, no mudia. A J-Boy is able to work here, bonozea. Or is able to work here, bonozea. So that the way you come, I say, I dey cuss this son, I dey call like me now. You can't say you want to come to talk to my children. If my children speak English for you, you don't go understand the English because they know they speak pidgin English. I mean, when I call one, come and speak English for you. Oh, my darling, I'll call you later. I dey life. You want me to call one, come and speak English for you? You think say nah, you carry on children when they carry snake for back, they go school. Mommy, I know they go school today. My teacher say make I not carry snake to come school. You think say nah, children for abroad be? Now I tell you say that they say make you go born. If you like born, if you like go die, go buy. What you gonna sign me? I have pity for elephant people. You know? I wear forgive. I wear here when we wear ya woo. We forgive. Yeah. She say, I will replace I share proud mommy just now. He say, I don't want to hear voice self. He say, forgive. Forgive a J-Boy. A J-Boy knows you. You work by a J-Boy Bahia. Or more, your mom. You work by a it's okay for your mind. Say if you don't cost person. Ooh, now wow. Children, where they I thought say, now analog life. Now she still there. We did digital life. She did analog. And she don't even know what it be analog. Analog now all the days. What that they use for all the days as internet. Now this is now digital world. Now we did now. She still there analog. Now they call they talk stupid thing. We no get sense. Education is matter in life. Please go and get one so that when you want to talk to urgent, sometimes you know what you are saying. Don't fool yourself. You know, be only mugu they follow you. Educated people, they reach everywhere. So they here now, graduates now, they my platform. It doesn't mean that a real platform a real railway board a graduate in. Where do you talk? You are welcome. You know, oh, yeah. Ooh, I'm not going to see this thing today. Oh, I feel fine and tired. Imona kwemu yesku. I can attack Catania, Ida Mio, Idicare Guanonia. Oh, hey.
Can you or here I am my boyfriend? Your boyfriend.
You know, see ya. Like the other day now, my boy, he come out with a football team, a club. With the club, do you know how much I paid? I pay money. I got a salon for a year. I pay money. Wait till my first daughter talk. My first daughter say, "Mommy, I will give you half of the money." That is how to know a family when they say they gather hand together, then they do something. You not there our side. You are not equal to us. Then when you are talking sometimes it's like you fool yourself. He go call, you know how much I pay? Do you know how much? My daughter tell me, say, "Mommy, don't worry, I'm going to give it." I tell my daughter, say, "Mommy, I'm going to do it. We are one family." Hey, one idiot. You will come, they tell say, "Lovely, I'm going to do you like this. Lovely, come carry your children, come. Now I go show my angel to who?" I told her, say, "Now their shoe, now go they show. Their shoe, now go they show." Get one shoe for here. Since when my people buy that shoe, if wear my own, so not come wear my big. Ni mo na your mama. Or finish up.
Can you or here I am my boyfriend? Your boyfriend no who ha. No who ha biena. O karoma. O pogeza. O pogima. Si ani na bieli ya fe. Oni no wo here. Boy.
Sister, where first? See, this one are Dion. See, Dion. Do you know how much this thing be? Dion. You see, this one now. This one, you see, handmade. Where may I show you? My daughter wear for years since not they wear again. And the shoe not they enter my leg. If not, I for they wear his shoes. See, you see, Christian Dion, Paris. See, Christian Dion, Paris. You know, this one now, now, handmade. Wait till they call that they get the way where they do the shoe. If you put the shoe for that, see, it will be like say now left and right shoe. You see, You see, it will be like say now left and right shoe. See, you don't throw away the shoe for here. You know how much for this shoe? Because they talk, because they say lovely con, they Chris. I don't bello romo. Yeah, I say no, ya beer, la red beer. Why beer? Go beer. May I check whether the district day. The amount no day here. See when he buy 2000. What? June 2019. I buy 2019. I buy the receipt still there inside. See it 2019. All there. See 2019. Go to Dion, this thing. Go to enter Dion company. Christian Dion, Paris, enter. You go know how much the shoe be. They mad. I think say I can't say Facebook. They oh yo. This shoe now, if I want to use and make money, I feel that if I put this shoe now for where they sell things, they go buy this shoe reach 500 euro. Yeah, what did batana 500 euro.
Boyfriend do way. The moment he be now, una hene bo no tenant house. Boyfriend do when I be cow, ona be pogiver, ona be pogia, ona be liye for. Even so dog akbo, or a bonny or lads that do at oh more. If one is a who are money but why what concern? My people, this over one of Paris so. We get deceived high, so deceived face. We marry her legally. She and her boyfriend were also staying in Oibo house. In the morning, they will sit in its dining room. Oibo will sit in the dining. She will sit in the dining. Then the Daki where they follow will sit in the dining. Oibo go to drink coffee. Daki go to drink coffee. 3 of them in the same seats. Is that fair? Let's be honest. Is that the kind of people that will come and motivate you? Yeah. How that kind of person will motivate you? How? How is she going to motivate you now? How? How? What will you pick from a lady, a young girl at that age, that time when she's young? Who will keep 2 men in the same house? In a marriage house. Not be boyfriend or boyfriend, a married house. So what would that one motivate you for? Married woman, following her. What is she describing for you to do? What step? That is what step are you taking with her? The step she took is the same step you also took.
Edo State was having a lot of secondary school. At the end of the day, some of them become a mugu. They will say, "Yeah, school. Are you kidding? Are you kidding?" They become, I don't know, village malu. The person where they talk now, when I see the way they talk, is out of speech. She's out of speech. She don't even know what she's saying. She's out of speech. One day, say platform, no, a platform in when several people see they watch me, I see they. I better carry the platform. So people here now comment I go say leave that platform for Lovely. Now only Lovely know how to use it. Now Lovely know how to use the platform. Oh well, I don't see this. I say what did this one feel say she they talk? I forgive who you they forgive who you be. Like some person now you can't say they talk to my children. Now the thing where they my children shoe when they take the mash ground, now you they leak. Well lalo. You have to say they talk to your children. You know talk to your children. You they Chris. With your people not they talk to you, they near hallelujah near where they boto. You know they shame. See now, I think you don't betray them now. They may not get her up now. How na lose this matter now? I don't see her. She's a betrayer. I do video that day. Say, Ogyoba. She's a betrayer. How na look her now? Them retire talk show. Why there, Enya? One person, maybe that they talk yesterday. Say, Mama say, you your talk. They surely come to pass. Ekbegbe will talk. Ekbegbe. She's a fucking betrayer. Betrayer. Our now be betrayer those states. Who be na where he go compete for? Not be detailed those states. Not be na for con. Our now be Edo. Ona mo do gboto why we kwedo wa na ladian. Not be say be not be na for con. No way you forgive for one. Who are you? Don't make it na ya me akimwe bogbe. Okay, even I forgive you. I go again and top the juju. Other people can forgive you. Me, we do not get any issue, but go and change. Ya change, down him. Ya change. As they advise people for this social media, me will still talk to you. Oh, I'm on your school. I'm on your school. Now use a computer. I win now. See where I have to let it. You can't carry pencil. Ooh, chue. It is an analog life. I will see the leaf. Oh, we don't see pencil for here. Do you think it's still analog life? It's not analog life. That time, if you want to, you come. You can't chew. You can't chew pencil. Chew barrel. You can't make small. No. Now digital world. Now we dey so. If you dey class, you don't know something. You can carry your phone come. Ask like this. Phone go tell you waiting you won't put for them. You know what? Phone go tell you. Because they use that brain for us. I love mine. He talk. I beg you. Yeah, I forgive. I forgive. I forgive. Well, forgive. I don't get you say don't forgive. Tomorrow now. I beg you. This one a pepper day. Not a rich anywhere. Me all of una change.
Sorry, Moladiama. Sorry, Agbo. Wa boirewa. Uni ni agbona ya motivator wa. Noti. Eda ko la de woni sian. Eda ke da fi ama wona. Eda da fi ama wona se. Zio yo. We se ni a. Odo ko awa. So I should motivate you people. I don't get it. The another person on me motivational. No it.
My sister, oh, iya no gugwana. Eso biani kbe ha. E kia ya u seva ni ana biani kbe ha. Eso biani kbe ne kia wa u seva na ye ma we va ari kia yu he. Ana ye ma we va ari kia yu he. Very stupid people. They are so annoying. When they are disgracing themselves, they don't know they are disgracing themselves. Illiteracy is a disease. Fuck. Yeah. Tata yesea. I eat the Facebook, oh. Not be we carry cassava the sweet. Not be we carry ankon. You go collect I collect everything. On am we ya. You not do again. Now saga you going to do. I sort of water ministry. You don't finish. Olo gogoro. I'm a bit of potato Yahweh. You know, say you boy sit down, put a girl at two. I pray. I pray. I have you wait both don't try the alloy. Tomorrow I will start YouTube. Next tomorrow I will start YouTube. Monica started live video. Fiu, Odieba. I remove that again. Only I started live video. If that one spent 3 hours, you go spend 3 hours with that one. You know the shape. Find another thing they do. Show yourself. Nonsense. Yeah, I put sister Van Okoi. And we water no now.
The another person on me motivational. No, I see where you water for it. Then you do a governor. Or when where you feel a good bunny. You don't know everyone is you worry. Oh, mu what mebu. Oh, mu what war. You see now. I know money on Facebook. You mama take there. I'm gonna take my bopa. And I beg you more bopa there. Anything only yak better than better stupid. Only bedberawa. You ain't the way one in that day where you soon river. One woman ever do.
I talk about that. I said that one go beat her. Beat hell out of her. She go, they cry, they go. Now, so, let them wake away. Come. I buy me a red bone. And anything when person see, they buy enemy. Reputation I play. Who they follow you play? They follow you play. All the time. Fight. Now you use on serious. Serious now. You know, no good serious again. I go to the well, I do am with bog bomb. If person send message to say children, we they teach children. We know they saw they have a enter house. Say the children head big. Now so we they do. I want it time one bog bear. Monuma beer. Wa nonsense. And that they be ya momoge no beer. Where we beer now where mu beer one. Beer. Ma beer now where man you no mu gear and they who they were beer now where madam you want mu gear no I don't feel I not go feel celebrate you because why? If people born, you know say I celebrate person when born yesterday. I don't feel celebrate you because oh you born him. Because we are we beer your money we can we beer your oh you born mommy we him. Oh you born oh be beer we can get to. Oh they get to me you know can ya gbon nonsense. You take a person now. Do you know why? Do you know why I don't like when she's doing it? She just wants people to bow down for her. Who are you, by the way? Our way. Our way. So that you don't come on for people when they go pack bag of rice for. As you pack bag of rice rich, not those people supposed to be bed down for you. Our near Nigeria. No, I'm a bay. There you go, honey. But when I'm in Nigeria, when all those villages, now that they up you that time, you have to go back there again. Go back to village because people from Facebook, nobody will go up you. I don't big boy who bad done. See, I think that day now, he don't come apologize. What of Rita will they call? Quirita. Now, soon I put her for Facebook, now call they talk ambo. Ni ave que no kona de o, ni ave we lovely we mona la dia. Ni ave no kona de. Quirita. You don't leave Quirita now. You don't go apologize. Quirita we lo ya ni. As I say, work with anywhere, you mighty set with the mighty way only say. You John Lolo. Quirita dead there. You know, if you say, Quirita, and when you Lolo do only say, wow, I had the by Erita. Or my tea guan Rita when Lolo. Neither way or guan yo or maho, if they guan yo maho. Oh, sigi no Facebook now. I can't see me upon a senior Quirina that red behans bore. Well, I knew you so. I don't carry your matter. Once your free don't carry person matter, that person, you go to pray to God, say, make his life complete for her. Very useless woman. If you go to she be enemy of this social media. When not enemy of Edo State, they don't enemy of social media. Any child that come from Edo State is an enemy. Omas about say 2 years, you know, if he settled day. Now every time with that one, they do saga. And they do saga finish before you know. I say, Lolo, send message, go give her. And I say, okay. As he come see send message, go give. And come send message, go give Lolo. I say, not be you with Rita there together with Lolo. You know, if he settled the way are you going, yo, what you I thought, no. No. You can't join one, you can't fight one. Now, so, we share my people, now me they talk, forgiveness and sin. You know what they do now, She don't see, say, now they find where you go come. You know, they fight, now let she with Monica, they fight for social media. Why she don't they send Lolo message? Well, they send the message, you get Lolo. Let Lolo see you get view. No. Monica. Yeah, we play person Monica, what bougie. Well, they send that message again. Lolo. I think that time you dey insult Lolo. I think the time when 12 now they do when you dey sagaran. Now say group member. You know your way or say river rubbish people. It really want for. I wash clothes. Mommy, can you please help me to line the clothes outside? It's raining. Oh my God. Oh, are you sure? No, it's not raining. Please help me to do that. Okay. It's not raining. You just want to escape the work I send you. You want to escape, I say the rain. No mind now. My love. How you there? You know say I mean know this woman. You just say you write her for comment that they say.
Mommy, where are you?
I'm here. What's that? Oh, it's raining. I didn't see it through here.
No, because our one is dry. I have to look at it.
Okay. You know, saying I mean, me we want I remember no reagba. And that day we Lolo. So that topic go there. Monica. You don't forgive you. You don't forgive. He not beg you for forgiveness. Okay, what did he say they thought that time? My personal person. Now analog life, now still there. You should not even know what it be analog. With that digital world, you don't see phone. During the analog, the phone they get for us that time now wire. Papa, you say a person they call you, they all they feel carry on. Papa will come use chest sit down. Hello, no, phone now they do a green. Now they call that time. That one analog. This one man na Judita. Anywhere when person they use for today. You even tell them say you send message. They not even wrong. Oh, do you want to speak with my dad? You say yes, okay. You say let me call on our WhatsApp. You say let me put it. Let me add my father or let me add my sister. Now add with the add now. That is digital. You know we are in 20th century. Above Varame, we are using analog. Nah, analog. Everything that you are saying, you are just fooling yourself. Or we go down. Can't you go to school and be knowledge, just little bit knowledge? Go to school and learn something. Don't be stupid. Stupid. She not they make money. Now she they say person not they make money. No, let them yes again. Where you make it go? YouTube my you where you YouTube pa no Iyore Naija wash won't be everybody she can't carry Naija wash put for herself who are anusi body anusi no ka gbo we re arianu wo mo ya mi to ya gbo as far as those state make it ya tiepo no kan senu wo ayo akere genya agbon ya ko we ni ku gbenya ore o defi we o mu pa go fall inside go carry am I say I know I'm not saying Naija wash I know when she started just now say Naija wash chopping money they all leave Naija wash was paying people no ya mu a video no people the Naija wash was paying them. What did you do? You came and carry Naija wash, you started paying Naija wash. Ask you a mugu where mugu were you? Naija wash was paying or they 20,000 or they 40,000 or they 50,000. What did you do? You get to collect her and him. Instead of him to be paying you, then now he now round up, you become the paying. Employee. You were employee. Then at the same time you become the payee. And you get sense pa mugu when no go school. You can never do it in where educated people are. There is no way you can do it there. Because it's gonna be upside down. You don't have it here. When you don't have it here. Go back to in France there, go to school. When you go to school, you have little wisdom. Then you can know how to put opinion on issue. If you call, you think say you go. That time when they say, oh well, a guy one person now this is that talking. He said that they call Monica mommy. Your one. Like me now, waiting my children they call me mommy. Your one. What is it? Mommy. Or do where? Or one no more do where at your mommy. Welcome. Why can't you wear moo? Where we kita na we ye bingo. I now ye bingo. No. Done. Gwa. Radale. E betray la khere. Before want to two now. Retire go wrong. Yes. Retire with Monica. The saga way that they do. Now you they poison the saga. If not, the two of them, they for don't even stay, say they not go the saga themselves. Now you they poison the saga. You get what they went daylight. One person say, Mama say, he say, build that person. He say, done the red line. I say, he say, where, quirita dayline, Maria can quirita je. Mugwe. Say nowadays, can quirita ye weije. Quirita, you don't start video. Quirita never start video. I'm done. Mo go work root of the. No go work root of the. No ya so only. Ada imwe bogbe. The social media. Ona you go. Ona go no ya win here. No ya we do here. Done. See Anna. I think before you know now, we can't wear my school. That way we school. You will know your left from your right. When they say right, you don't say this is right. Arrow. If they say they apologize, Iyeki, arrow when arrow home. I pray, may you true stay your own. If I don't get call yet that one now call. I can't lack una. I don't lack una where. Una pepe de, about the pepe de. Now with the pepe. Man can't wait pepe no more la walk boy. My talent. I pepper there. I'm a get pepper there. Eh? And don't get with Monica, not they play. As you go apologize to Monica, so no go they use one eye, they look, you say, hey, she betrayer. Oh. I don't say now they pretend though. I don't say wait and they talk now. I don't say not truth. Maybe nothing come out now say, lovely, shut up, lovely, enter house. Everybody don't know now. They'll say, I want a lovely tie. Because I don't know how to kiss person ass. I don't kiss person ass. I apologize. Who they are, but who sent you? I tell you that they say remove eye for that woman platform. They don't want to have it away. I walk away, no, I walk away. I take speaking for Bini. Useless woman. Where Naja wash? Oh. She want to disgrace Naja wash. Now Naja wash carry and go up. On a view, I mean, I'm not swearing what to give. When Naja wash is when Naja wash don't leave you. You feel operate YouTube again. I will find number now. Make I take call Naja wash. If you by mistake enter YouTube, Naja wash go block her. We gonna help you. They block that YouTube. What say me? Your matter I don't buy you. You want there? Wait to go favor you for this social media. Eh? Ya can nek boy. Ha so lu nek bear and stop coming here to the talk relevant talk. Betrayer. Okay, let's your ligi. Rita, you come here now say you don't go beg. You don't go beg Monica. If he with Rita, if Iyore with Rita, they fight tomorrow. Now people they say Rita no good though, Rita no good though, Rita you be bad person, Rita you be bad person. You also this truth of the matter we must say it. Stay on your own, no beg. Una beg. As I don't beg, rich waiting they don't see for inside. Una beg. Tomorrow now this is the way you do so. No matter how, everybody na human being. This is the way you go do so. No matter how, you must pay Rita. You must pay Rita. Yes. Tomorrow night, if Rita call they throw away, you sister they throw away this thing now. Some word. They'll say, Rita, where's when there? Rita, nobody feel follow you, my friend. Rita, nobody feel follow you, my friend. I said, talking. You got my sister. My sister thought say this one. Those people, they will so fight. I thought say, give them time. Betrayer. Now, why be say, we're not supposed to know say, oh, you're bad, oh, nothing. But now, where, oh, both Safia.
One woman you do what? One of the uses now. One of the bring shame and disgrace on a family. Why? Why I never like boke who and that's on. Off you a degbo. Yeah, you so. Because we bad on it bed. They did a good hole. Amatieo, Amaku Bogo. Hag boyak boy in her mania. No one's woman copyright now. And we are community. Even the woman herself realize a mistake. She will.
Yeah.
But okay, a map pompe, a general open up wing or the abbey, you know, taking what the little equa, now do a museum, do a solo position, Nakawa, Jega, Shawano, Ijia, Kunagano, Jega, you know, that can't see. All to what avoid day, but I will also soon I'm giving you avoid day. I will. Yak me, and I pop a yake. Ijiano, a cadbuziano. Eh, so what are you police in so what? Ni why ni guys get to Korana. You know do am you die alone. Ana video ni my first. Oh koko I won't join my my so jo. We just get up ma. I didn't say ma. But here ni na get disgrace here ni. Here we go to disgrace you. Sister why now? Use your sense now. Why? If that person call you for back. Not taking word. I was so when you agbe. If you are rather for when you go. Go there one door. Again, when you they were deleted to avoid trouble. Sister, are you really poison? Sister Carolio. We live to fight today. We live to fight another day. Jesus, man. I never hear boy my people, is the truth. It's the truth. Oh, we want to go pera your mama say wanna lela. They wanna lela mama say wanna go pera you turn upside down. Ena, sister Le, brother Le. We don't want to Canada. We don't want to UK. Who they Israel? Ipoto. Everything here, say the day. Everything they do here. They kege. Okay, don't fall. Okay, sit here. So, when you or what would a Facebook or do a shine, do a ball, do a makeup, or so. Really? Huh? This is a shame. It's a shame because everywhere I go bed into a you go over the Facebook 1000 wage he getting over what it do what you want to very well we are our bed not one way sit everywhere I would worry where you can't kill my mammy they go any line if over you too much they go really begging you and beg my begging as a before
now one lady like that you don't know I be like said the lady there in London. She fair. I don't forget her name again. She they do life, but no be all the time. No be she tell they do like the woman. She finished off for year. You know those people they look her.
A bad man didn't win because we were born. Okay, back in our country. A Facebook wiki or a TikTok. I'm say. Come on, who wearing about one? He can never advise you right. Oh, no, I am he who give what a bonnet and you who give one. What am I to your fair? Who is one? Oh, what part of Jenny? Oh,
sister, you are tired. I talk on. I say, what my lay, what you are. Oh, my mother, Bogby, or Aruwusu. Alene or out there where over day. If people want to go see him, if people want to go see him, then they cover their face, go see him. They not go see face. So use back, take the torture. Then you go carry face, you go come. Now come the fool now self. I will be.
It's why oh, what about Jenny or many of them miss a macamo or who any was soon because they may buy Yano. Or what you have enough a lady. They may buy a who near Yasu with platform of him, understand.
My sister, what of that woman went this pay when your husband fought for up? The woman still they follow her. I think they said that woman still they follow her at that time when your husband died. Pokpana wuyi iya gbe for na ya na wa ya gbe a platform no ri Victor Menwan eba ni oni wuji na that they call today now they will say Victor Menwan say person that put for Victor Menwan platform who down no oh dun eyi winner iwina yo ri no o waru we bi oh, ya warrior, Ipara agbipa doja. Gbipa doja dede gbe ya. Agwagwa. Oh. Ha. Me a de talk truth to. Fina like no ko semi o. Me barelu. Ege ni a evi. Eke avi. Akwe don't forgive it. Not down go hide. No matter how you go do, you don't see monkey face. People when you they don't follow, they know they use monkey face, say they do life. Monkey face now on back. Now be the same way they take sweat for, not be they sweat for monkey face. I take different. Now you will know say as you come with bebe ye now ye bebe ye hallelujah. Hey, clap for la vidéo presenter ou te we fian o wow te wu fian o you come with bebe ye any nya le gwe bebe ye nya ya lelue e we dan they themselves now if they mention your name they go pour water for mouth so e so we go for bido na because of saga now they do am you know way forgive for waiting well tell me away
I have any platform of me, the one who generate to December apart from work. Why is this so? And who many are who make come? Who down? You who you want one who am I with Benoro? Oh, who? You will feel me who? And here you buy so many. This is what you need. Wale. Oh, before the way here to only mommy. You know the way. Oh, tag boy, I found the American and the Germany, the Belgian, and the UK. You are TJ, mommy, are TJ. Mom.
Now so my sister, okay, I will be can pay. Forgiveness now see me when they talk and I think I decrease. Okay, I will be. Oh, when you a Monica, you a mommy. Our mama. How will our mother your mommy? Should they call that time, mommy? Good afternoon. I go say, oh, you mean, well, yeah, you say, mommy, day house. Now, mommy, that time. I be here. I eat one on more now, a big way. Is your mama at your mommy? I eat here now, a big way. So, whatever we're angry. When man, two were just you were just disgracing yourself, fooling yourself. Because most people now live villages and I am they were villagers. The man here on an college, you can't call you mommy. Bini person now when you go this thing, a ladies of Lost Girls Grammar School, now I can't call you mommy. I'm not sure. I'll be now guess when you go Iyore Grammar School. Iyore Girls Grammar School. Now then one can call you mommy. No. Because the name of school where you at where even near my support at your way. A wood done.
TJ, mommy at you. Mommy at us. Mommy at us. On our you, on our go. Am I meant to mommy Jenny? You need to go away at all mommy no more. You're going to do mommy. Come on, get it. Oh, no more.
Thank you, my darling, my sister. Thank you for this your live video. Now, truth. If person can't call me mommy now, you're going to cry. I got children for his house. Yeah. Now my daughter boy this is born blah 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 what yeah. Now they are on so Nika. And why they not will call mommy? Ah ohi vraiment c'est ou qui veut ohi ekpogwa. Oh kero wa we for no wa gon le ni alue ohi ohi akpola ohi akpola no do de bori anyowa rubbish gbagban betrayer.
Come on, get it. Oh, no more. At your mommy. Where any at your mommy. No, you are baking beer go be now, won't be no woman. The way, here, mommy, what bay? I go get funny. Good morning, my people. I go get funny, what bay? Oh, what?
Thank you, my sister. Now, I say your time don't finish. Now, this is still tough. So, I say leave Facebook. If you like, maybe they see one view. Leave us. People see they watch us. That they learn from us. As I day here now, as I day iron now, mothers now, that they iron, they'll say, oh, the barrister, thank you. Now you make me the iron. So who want cook soup now? Who want cook soup? Who want cook wait for Peking now? You want cook wait for Peking? Ma maybe Mama Maria. You know, she say I celebrate person when he born yesterday. He born 2 years ago. He born yesterday. I celebrate him. You know, see, nonsense. Nonsensical buhaha.
I'm funny, what bay? Oh, why it bunny? Madam Belfast, why met it gay? Why met it? Oh, cook away been on vacation. Why met it? Okay. Oh, where he a little way no day. The Facebook no go. Oh, man, only who down no can wait.
Well, oh, where to all little. No no we live video no day. Say now you go now you God give her power. I tell where else I love wagele mwetini nugwe. When we are done no dikwere ni amale runu we de. Ah we ama we ge na ebokian gbu ebokian mi ogun no ya muwa gboria. Very local woman. Too local. Very local. That one when they use waiting. These people tell they decorate malu. Now she they wear. She go tell them say she they wear gold. Oh, you can hold it your wear. Oh, mama don't hold it. You know she lawyer be not there. You know when now this is the seller man. Now Pakistan. Now wait till Pakistan they design their cow. If they carry their cow go shrine, if they do festa. Or where I money your phone where you don't arrive. How can you me? I'll call the wear rag. I wear expensive things. When I Accra, you're gonna follow me. They do saga. Accra, with Holland is not the same. I be really good with the shower not the same. I get level pass you, man. You know what are they wrong? That's a call they share for Facebook. As you don't reach today, where your life. Well, go no, they no go see you. I can't bear who where. You know what they not there with Facebook. No, they have the war. And so they take the day for Facebook. Now, wow. We need platform, sorry, we need platform over one way. Just carry you go. Ha! If you should as for example, say if you feel the jealous, that one say they see view. That means say the one when work mobile only may view, only may view. Maybe later now you will see the jealous that one. Huh? Go see the jealous that one. Very nonsense thing. What is that one even look himself? Not be that village woman. She's a villager. Somebody don't there for Europe for how many years? See the way it be. Oh, she le zigi horo yegbe. Well, why do you want to carry on masse?
A boy turning bawedi. Eba. Money ya me view. Ni ave ya talo. Well, I have blog and I have Facebook setting up. Here we really funny. He just for purpose like me. He did not just for that mistake or whatever. No, he did it as if I'm nearly 50. My dear. About bleach, I don't bleach. I don't wear makeup, you. I like makeup, you. I don't know. Can you imagine?
Sister, you always laugh, kill me. I say the get one with one when they buy for a one certain time. Oh, like the way what as I royal beto ina wela wa. Wela wa. E what as I royal beto. When I buy beto 200 euro, when I beto 1000, beto 1000 euro. Ah, munu we oye venye. 1000 euro if you need them. We go buy if you see oye venye. You don't even know it for where. Oh, it took by a bell. You can't wait me now. Now I took by a bell. I won't put this. You don't see my hopes, my hair. So if I want to come out, if I make up finish, I can't put my wig on top. Eh? I can't put wig on top. Oh, where you did 1,000 euro. Yeah. This has this one. I think this one is 28 inches. Now this one be a bit 26 inches. I don't know. As you see, now if I make a finish, I go wear this one. Different hair now get different. You see, huh? Did you see it? You know how much this hair be? Why you call it on? You know how much she be? I can't style her. You go come fine. You see, huh? Okay, women, okay, more. You see this one? All that two still dead done. You get where the pack her put. You get money. You get money rich like me. See, huh? Why can't I turn her? I'm not this happy. You see the way, eh? If I don't make a finish, I can't put her on top. You're not going to know whether I weave again. You won't come put this one on top of this thing now. Heavy. Nonsense woman. Later now you go dey buy hair. Oh wait, ya give me oh. Ya give me oh. Eh? See am. The one when I don't use now, I don't use all of them. It's sorry water. See am. No me more home na me wa say mujo. Since when I wash, since when I clean, I no wear am. See princess this thing. See am. You know how much for this hair? Since when I use them, I don't wear them again. Only once I don't use this hair. This hair don't reach 3 years when I don't buy this hair now. Go check live video when I use this hair do. You see, huh? I be make I bring the where they part the hair they put. How you did? Yeah. See, huh? Now hair full inside here. You see, huh? This one are kicking, Bobby kicking. Eh? You see, huh? This one na what they call her? Bone straight. A bone straight. A bone straight. Or you can want commentary. Or why you know the weird day? You see, huh? A lot of hair. See, huh? Of women. The one where they inside here. See how they there. Eh? You can pass, he's not there. See how you are here showing man. I be me I breathe the one where they downstairs. Titi, can you help me to breathe them? Where the second one when I carry just now, where I come put on? A 12 women have full year. I say if I go buy the head where they pack and put everywhere go full for hair. Now make me pack and put for inside here. If you reach my house now, so hair. Where may I go pack and come down? Stay for Facebook, they shop for there. You get money. We are lovely they talk. You go they say, yeah, come. Yeah. You see, I go downstairs, go bring a consider. This one 32 inches. You see, huh? And this one 28 inches. Well, yeah. Eh? See, huh? This one straight one. Don't wash this one. I never style on. Yeah. See, huh? Now be the same. Oh, they bring a come one by one. Well, yeah. 2 days inside this nylon bag. Eto. Mais à tête, tu es le tu vois si hein. On a si un mot. They come the turtle. This one are Kiki Bobby. This one are 26 inches. This one are what one are the color? Bone straight. This one are bone straight, different color. See hair full everywhere. I bet how they pay me. I don't feel they pack and come out because if that make pack and come out, I don't even know how far. Now mugu. It is zuzu. You know what it be money. All those hair when they it is now 100 euro hair. 350, 400 euro, 500, 600. Now be the hair when they there. They say they not the money. You know now me they talk say I not they give you for your mind say and they come and find something to about this thing. For your mind say na Facebook money now that they live. Me I don't already be mama of my own. Mama. And if I come I want plug this thing, you don't weak. Now I find something to take block am. You see, I don't know you. You see where I pack my head put. Because I don't feel they buy this thing. I don't get where I want pack and put now even for the good money. This one my mouth waiting. I see they show something. I beg I while I go outside. If by this time you still dey fight me, you know say you do go back. And they show something, say na month I dey. Don't be things I dey show so. I dey show I dey see say na month I dey. Like be say, me una go school, I no agree go school. Go to school. I'm showing something, they say na month I dey. You don't see, I don't clear for your eye. Eh? You don't clear for your all the time na month you dey. You hear me? See ya. This one when I dey thought just now, e fall. Na month I dey. This one are 26 inches. See ya. 26 inches. Okay. Where they come, they talk to me. This one are 28 inches. I will go style am. Or when I'm out I day. I be your mate. This one now 32 inches. Now this hair be. Now once I don't wear them, they do life. See ya. Yeah, in full I get full year. On my mind. I dey buy. Me I buy something guys. See ya. This one this one 28 inches I be. I don't can remember a day. Okay, no. This one 28 inches. 822. Now I know that kicking now. I know they use this kicking they play. Yeah, baby you. This one 26 inches. This one 24 inches. This one bone straight, red. I get the bone straight, I get them for red, I get them for purple, I get them for black. You see, huh? This one, may I pat this one down. Mommy, yo. Mommy, yo.
I bought you a gift.
Oh, you bought me a gift.
It's coming today.
Give me a kiss.
I'm not even giving this gift yet. You want kiss? Maybe if both couple I buy for you, then
Boss couple.
I think you will like it.
Okay, I got. No, if you are not showing, I don't want you to come show. See this one. You don't tell when I buy this one. You see, huh? This one na 30 inches. Straight hair. I used to do one video. Now inside basket, now pack and put. They show it, they say na month I dey. I know they make man because why? I know they do notice me. See, this one na 26 inches. This one na 30 inches. 30 inches abi? Yeah, 30 inches. Now this one be a bit 28 inches. I don't know. See, I know they too like straight hair. See that one when you read that time, will be like a natural hair. This one are 24 inches. Now this one be. I be 22 inches. Since when I wear this one, no coma. Say, and I may do this one by myself. I may be a ball. See, let me do this hair by myself. Let me plait by myself. They talk something, they say now. You see, they see something, they say now month you day. I use it to block this thing. You see, this one are straight. This one are straight. You see it there? This one now that natural hair. And it's still dead down. This you get one when I know put for inside here. Wait, where that big one? Now I know put this one for inside here. You see, huh? You see? You see, I'm gonna hide for inside fake account. They say now month now you do, now month you do, now month now you do. Now they show this to now month now you do. Where are you going?
I'm going to buy some.
See, this one now Bone straight. This horse blood, this purple. You see it? That's purple. Don't tell when I don't use them. I want the two light straight hair. This one are the black one. See how? You got another color. I don't know where that one did. See how? Hey, I don't like. No, lock the door. Lock the door, please. You see, huh? Before you got to talk. See, huh? Stop talking. Don't talk to people that have money more than you. We not they beg. We they do. See this one now. This one they talk. This one now. This thing. This one now. I know this hair now. Now no one now. You can't do front for year. Now know this hair. Don't sit there when I use this hair. Maybe I'll find one day use them. When no more take belebe, me we do understand. See this one. It don't pass aka. I said I don't buy again. If not, I wish I want to start to the buy for don't see buy. I said I don't want to the buy again. See this one. You there when I'll come out now, this one I'll go use. And I'm around. This one I'll go straighten now. Now not this hair, now this brown hair. I wash them. You know, I wash it. Then I'll come style on. This one I'll carry and go downstairs because wait till I want to style on. Now downstairs I will style on. You see, now not the hair now. Come here, come they talk. When they do a big baby. See this one, this hair. I too love this hair. You see this hair for granted. Now ginger color now you get. No say camera get the way when they design. You see huh? Mugus. See the one when they inside here. This one when they inside here, I wash them. All those one when they here now. This one. Wait. I don't wear this one because I washed this one that day. I don't wear them. I will put them for inside here. See huh? See this princess hair. Hair like this, go where they sell them. You know how much it be. Yeah. I tell them one way you will know they talk. At the house. I never played that this to finish. My bello homo, we they take care of children, we see they buy things for ourselves. This is not when they make mouth, when they share for social media. I often sit down and take for my head. Very cheap. Very cheap. A cheap party cost a take belebe. Now that one they motivate. See how you see how princess. This is princess hair. You see it? You go styler. If you go styler, you know, this is princess hair. You see it? Now once since when I buy this hair, now once now I don't wear them. I'll find it now wearing with my pink gown. Did you find it? You can't they talk. You don't see mommy. You don't put her hair for her. And they show her she see the same amount that they make. See this one I never use this one. I don't wash her. I never use her. See the way it tastes small. If you wash and you keep and you go small. The day when I do and I will use hand to open her. If I wash and I they put on because I know buy head. Head go come full my house. Will come be like a berry grand. You see, and this one now I wash on. Go inside here. This one went there inside here, so I will use them again before I go rest them. You see, huh? Now me they talk to. You know how much I take they buy it. Now me run for her. I said I don't go buy her again. It's too much. 400, 4 something, 3 something. Go where they say whether you feel see this thing.
Arena, I'm one yapuni. Ah, Bovu. A bame can Bovu Kiri. A bame way, I will wait to the bill and Yahweh.
How can you carry a tweak belebe? You say who carry a tweak belebe get life. You know, see the one I take with this one now. See, I don't make a this one will not hear a masculine.
Why? Why are you looking at a woman like you? And what kind of admire who? No, here were my people. You know, Denny, who are big boy. I don't know like you. Oh, here, I'm a daddy, because I'm a Facebook, a boy.